Hello class, this is your question number 3rd of assignment projection of solid. A triangular prism base 40 mm long and axis height 65 mm has one of its base edge in HP and inclined at 40 degree to VP. Draw projection when the axis is inclined at 45 degree to the HP. So now here class, your first stage condition is has one of its base edge in HP. So this is class, that means class the whole base of the prism is resting on top view HP. And your second stage condition is class the axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So class here we are starting our problem from top view, that's why class second stage condition is with respect to HP. And class your third stage condition is the base is inclined at 40 degree to VP, that is your class third stage condition. So now class, let's start with your first stage. Draw a triangular prism base in top view HP which have a base side 40 mm. Now class major compass equal to the 40 mm. So class, this is the prism. So here we will not show any apex position. In prism class we don't show apex because in prism properties class the base and the top face both have triangular faces. So now class, suppose I am giving naming for top face class I am giving 1, 2, 3, and class for base I am giving A, B and C. Again I am saying class the naming for 1, 2, 3 is the top face of the prism, ABC is the naming of the base of the prism. Now class, extend all points vertically up and class we draw AB the base edge towards right because the prism is resting on HP, that's why we draw base towards right and corner towards left. Now class, extend AB also vertically up. And now class, axis height of the prism is 65. So now class here measure 65. So class, this is your projection of height 65. And now draw the object line okay. So now class, this point is class 1 dash 2 dash, this is 3 dash, and base is class A dash, B dash and C dash. Now class, give dimension. The base edge of the prism is 40 and the axis height is class 65. So now class, in second stage the axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So now class, in prism case class, the axis is parallel with the longer edge of the prism. So that means class, if we incline this side, this longer edge at an angle of 45, the automatically class, your axis also uh, inclined at 45 degrees. So class, just redraw this whole top view in second stage and make sure class this dimension 1 dash and a dash is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. So class, first take projection of 45 degree. So class, this point is your A dash and B dash. Now class, measure that distance over compass and cut on that line. This point is class your 1 dash and 2 dash. Now class, measure base of the prism in front view and cut here. Okay. Now class, measure diagonal over compass. Measure diagonal over compass and class from here. Now class, join all point So now class, this point is your 3 dash and this point is your class C dash, and this angle is 45. After I class, extend all points of front view vertical downward. Light and shade. After it class, extend all points of top view towards right, parallel with XY line. Now class, mark all points. Start with class A, extension of horizontal extension of A, vertical extension of A. This is A. Horizontal extension of B, vertical extension of B. B. Vertical extension of C, horizontal extension of C. Vertical extension of 1, horizontal 1. vertical extension of 2, horizontal extension of 2, vertical extension of 3, horizontal extension of 3. So now class C, observer is here. So now class, when we see this object from this side, the whole top face of the prism is completely visible. See class, the whole top face of the prism is completely visible, but the base of the prism is not visible. Okay, so now class, first we will draw the top face dark, because the whole top face is visible. Okay, now class 3C is completely visible, then join class 3C. Then outline of the object is also visible, to class join outline of the object dark. That means class your AB is hidden. Draw class hidden. Okay, so your AB is hidden in top view, second stage. Now class, your third stage condition. The base edge inclined at 40 degree to VP. So class, we are talking about the base edge on which the prism is resting. So class, this is AB. So AB is inclined at an angle of 40 degree in VP. Okay, so instead of redrawing class this whole object at an angle of 40 degree, I will draw a new reference line at an angle of 40 degree. So class, this is new reference. This is your previous reference line xy, and this is class your new reference line x1, y1, and this angle is class 40 degree. Okay, so now class, extend all points of top view 90 degree to the new reference line. Okay, now class, see, this is your top view, this is your new reference line. So class, we will mark all extension of the top view, these vertical distance of the previous reference line to the previous this front view. So now class, just see, this is the vertical distance of 1 dash from the vertical from the reference line. Then we will measure this vertical distance and we will cut on the extension of 1 and 2. So this is the extension of 1 and we will cut here. So this is your top view. So here we will draw front view. So this point is your class 1 dash, extension of 1 dash, extension, this is 2, extension of 2. So this is class 2 dash 3, major class vertical distance of 3, and mark on the extension of 3. This point is class your 3 dash. Now class your AB is lying on the reference line XY. So here we will mark class A dash and B dash on the reference line only. A dash and B dash. Now class major vertical distance of C dash from the XY reference line. And we will cut on extension of C. This point is class your C dash. Okay. Now class C, observer is here. So class, when we see this object from this side, the whole base is visible, because when we see this object this side class, the whole base of the prism is completely visible. That means class ABC is completely visible. So ABC is continuous dark. Okay, ABC is continuous dark. Now class, we will join outline of the object, that is also dark. So now class, see, this is the outline of the object. That means class 1 dash and 2 dash is hidden, then class 2 dash and 3 dash is hidden, and 2 dash and B dash also hidden. So now class, join and one more thing class, if you get confused class which edges are hidden, just analyze class. If observer is here, then 2 point is completely hidden from the eye side of the observer. The 2 point is completely hidden class. See, 1 is visible, 2 C is visible, AB is visible, because class your base is inclined at an angle of 45. That's why class the whole base is visible. But this 2 point is class completely hidden. That's why class here all lines drawn from 2 points is completely hidden. Then class, join class. This is your final stage of triangular prism. Hope class you understood this part. And class, you can class show, if you want to, class the axis height. Class, this is your axis height. And class, this is 45. Okay, hope class you understood this part.